I am in Harbin and the temperature is -5 degree. This is really an amazing experience for me. In the night it will be -20 degree. In my whole life I haven't seen -20 degree. Why I came to the northeast part of China? Because the world's largest ice and snow festival.
Welcome to Harbin.
Thank you.
My hometown is located in northeast China. I'm very familiar with the climate and culture here.
It's morning. I want to try something local.
Yes, I'm very excited to share with you something. So let's go for it.
It's really snow.
Do you want to take a picture with it? Nice. One more. Do you know this year is the year of dragon?
Year of Dragon?
You can see the decorations.
Yeah. Oh my God. These are like looking like dragon.
Yes, this like very New Year style.
Wow.
We have the atmosphere of New Year.
拜年了。
I can't believe we just saw penguins walking along the street in Harbin.
Yes, they was walking outside. Now you can imagine how low is the temperature in Harbin.
Is this your first time to see a penguin outside?
Yes, it's my first time in my whole life.
Hello!
Now we have arrived at the world's largest snow and ice festival.
All the games here are related to ice and snow. I'm really looking forward to the 500-meter long ice slide. What about you?
I'm looking forward for the 43-meter highest, longest ice statue. The weather is very cold. My legs are going to freeze, but I'm very excited to slide. So I'm waiting, and due to the excitement, I'm not feeling cold. I have already passed 1 hour, but still I think need 2 more hours to achieve that position. You know, the sliding for 500 meters is really amazing. So waiting for 3 hours or 4 hours is really. What they are doing?
They are doing some ice games. It's good for fitness.
It's really a skill.
他可以试一下。Would you like to try it?
可以吗？谢谢，谢谢，谢谢。哎哎，这样子。
Wow! Do it well.
Oh. It's working. Ah. Wow, it's
Oh,
a really
amazing.
amazing experience and unique. Wow. One more. Yeah. It's rotating continuously. I made it. Wow. Wow.
How are you feeling? Are you feeling warmer?
Yes. 每天玩吗？
每天天天来，
啊，
天天锻炼身体。
很好很好。so 每天多少分钟
2小时，
？2个小时。2小时。
In the Baroque architecture street in Harbin, which is the largest Baroque style street in China.
Wow. Oh, it's what they wrote here.
It's written 巴洛克.
Baroque.
Baroque is a 17th Italian art style.
Wow. So in Harbin we have a lot of architecture, huh? Russian architecture, Italian, German.
See, the Harbin is very romantic now.
Flowers are
Yes,
inside.
yes.
Wow. How they made this?
So it's hard to imagine in such cold winter, the artisans can make such a masterpiece. You see, all the street are flowers inside the ice.
Yes. This is really a masterpiece. And they
Yes.
have lights also inside.
Yes, I think at night it will look even more beautiful.
Wow.
So now Harbin is becoming an
More
international,
romantic.
yeah, more romantic and an internet celebrity city. You see, so many people are waiting for taking a picture with these two mascots.
Wow. They're looking so cute.
Yes, they are two mascots for the Asian Winter Games in Harbin in 2025.
They wrote their name also, like one is Bin Bin, one is Nini.
Yes. So cute.
So this is male Bin Bin. That is Nini.
Yeah.
Hello Nini. Hello Bin Bin. Where we are now, lot of people are here.
Yes, we are at the Saint Sophia Cathedral. It's very famous in Harbin. Many visitors choose to take photos here as it's like they are taking a trip in Europe.
I have seen this photo everywhere. On postcard, on the tickets, everywhere. This church is very famous.
Yes. So would you like to take a photo there as well?
Yes, of course.
Okay,
Yes.
let's.
Now it's a museum and music concert going here. People can enjoy the artwork.
Yes, everyone can enjoy the art style here, and I'm feeling very peaceful and elegant. Food culture is an important feature of Harbin. See here, it is such kind of game. You just turn around and it will tell you what you can eat today. There are so many choices.
Let me try this.
Oh, we will try this. This is some kind of fried dumpling.
Okay, let's go and try.
Yes.
And what is this?
This is some.
It's for you.
Okay.
冰糖葫芦.
You see, there are different kinds of 冰糖葫芦. It seems that everything can be strained. Everything can be strained.
Yes. And this is strawberry. What is this?
This is peach. I think yellow peach.
Let me try this one.
You want this one?
Yeah.
Okay, you take one. You take one. I think
Which one
you
you
can.
will?
I suggest you to try this one.
This one? Okay.
This is spicy strips.
This is special in Harbin.
Yes.
Wow.
You can taste it and then tell how special it is. Let's cheers.
Yeah. Oh. It's hard to bite.
Okay.
But it's delicious. It's spicy.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's very special, right?
Yes, it have a different taste.
Yes, now the 冰糖葫芦 have become a coffee option in Harbin.
This is 冰糖葫芦.
Yes, you see, this is 冰糖葫芦.
Oh.
The sugar coated hot.
Oh yes.
Have you tasted any 冰糖葫芦 taste in this coffee?
This coffee have different taste due to yeast, right?
Yes.
Wow. 冰糖葫芦 cafe. Nice. And what is this?
This is the frozen pear.
Frozen pear coffee.
Yeah. It's also very special. The refreshing flavor of the pear combined with the richness of the coffee, it providing a very unique flavor. Cheers. And do you know that the frozen pears have always been a traditional winter fruit for people in Harbin?
Oh.
In the past, due to the food scarcity and the lack of preservation technology, frozen pears almost were the only fruit people could enjoy in winter.
Oh.
But even now, people get very good life, but they still miss and they still like the taste of
Frozen pear.
Yeah, and they made it into different products.